Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle, guys. I hope you're having a great day. If you're not, go ahead and change that around right now. We have a nice little 10-minute or so video for you guys to hopefully help you guys feel a little bit better. But if you guys are new here, make sure you click that subscribe button down below. Check out Shop Lifestyle, get yourself some lifestyle merch. Yeah, let's jump right into it. First things first, we're gonna do some fun today. So it's a little bit different than something I've been doing. I'm gonna try and just kind of change it up and just kind of do some random thing. This is something that I wanted to test out personally with some stuff that I had left over. So I'm gonna do that. But first, I need to spin the car around so we can have it facing the right way. So let me flip it around real quick and we'll get with you. So this might not be the best idea that I've ever had, but I'm gonna go ahead and just do it anyway. So I had previously used Plastidip on the wheels, not on this car, but on my truck. I had done the whole wheel. So I kind of used it before and I had a bunch left over. So I figured I should just try this because I've never peeled it off and I've never seen how it comes off or how it actually works if you just do like a sheet of it or something, or how it peels off, because I never peeled it off. So I got some painter's tape. I'm gonna go ahead and create a square on the door. So hopefully this comes off, because otherwise my white Jeep is gonna have a big square Plastidip black spot forever. So hopefully it comes off. And then we just got some rattle cans of Plastidip that we're gonna spray on and do a ton of coats so we make sure it's nice and thick and we can peel it off. So let me go ahead and do that, and I guess we'll see where we're gonna start.
Chill and relax.
So we got our basic square down here of what we're gonna be doing, and now I'm just gonna mask off a bunch around it so that it doesn't overspray onto the car, which either way I should be able to get it off with a microfiber and just kind of quickly get it off. But this is just kind of a full send kind of moment like we do here on the channel, as you guys know. So shout out to my friend Geb actually for suggesting me to do this. It's a really really good idea, and I'm gonna go ahead and do it. So I'm just gonna mask off the rest of it and then we will see how it's gonna come out. All right, so here's our masking. I could have used some paper stuff, but I just figured I'd just throw this on there and just do it this way. Hopefully I don't get too much overspray because I'm just gonna full send it, like you know. So we're just gonna go ahead and fill this whole baby in over here. With a first coat, it's gonna be light, and then we'll kind of just thicken it up over and over and over every like 10 to 15 minutes, I believe. I don't know. We're just gonna do it. But so let's go ahead and slap on the first coat, and on goes the first coat. So you're supposed to heat these up or like put them in like warm water to make it spray on better. I didn't do that, and I also didn't test spray it at all. So you can kind of see that we might be having a big problem today, boys. This is not supposed to look like this, and this might be not coming off. You can also see we got tons of overspray over here, all down the side over here. So hopefully a microfiber will just kind of rub that off like it's supposed to. But yeah, so far this was an awful idea, but we're gonna continue, finish this off hopefully, and see if we can peel it off in one sheet and clean it up, or if we just messed up our whole car. So let's see what's gonna happen, boys. I guess that's all we can do. All right, so I messed up. This was an awful idea. Geb, why did you tell me to do this? Did you see all the overspray over here? This is just, hopefully it's supposed to come off. You see it kind of does. It just takes a lot of pressure with a microfiber. So now I gotta go through and just scrub the whole thing. But I think I'm gonna scrap this video idea and just upload it as one of those fails and let you guys know what not to do. If you guys are gonna Plastidip something, make sure you mask it a lot better than I did. And not only mask it better than I did, just make sure you're doing it on a spot where it's actually needed, because and make sure your stuff's warm. And this is basically a what not to do with Plastidip video, because this stuff is just, you gotta do the right thing. Because now I have no idea if this is even gonna come off or what's gonna happen with this. I just gotta let it dry and hope I can peel it or scrape it off. I don't know. I regret doing this, and it was just not a good idea, but you know, that's pretty much what the channel is. So now let's hit a little time lapse of me scrubbing this off while that dries, and then we'll have to try and peel that off, and I'll show you what happens, I guess. I don't know, I'm mad at myself.
Chill and relax.
So thankfully I got most of the stuff that the eye can see off with just a microfiber, but oh boy is that a lot of effort, because you got to push really hard to really get it to grab on the microfiber and pull it off. So I am just not looking forward to removing this, because I don't know what the best way to do this is, because it's not a sheet to remove, so I don't know how I'm even gonna get this off. So all I can say is pray for me, boys, because I might have just, oh wait, maybe not, look. Maybe we just do it while it's still a little bit wet, but like mostly dry like this. Look, it's coming off kind of. Look at that. Oh yeah. Hopefully I can continue this pattern and get the rest of this off before it gets permanently stuck, and I can fix my mistake. But yeah, Plastidip, maybe not on a windy day on a white car when I don't have anything I need to actually Plastidip, because yeah, just don't, you know, be smarter than me and don't do stuff like this. So as you can see, that's like, yeah. Okay, so let me just try and remove this, another time lapse, and then I'll show you guys the final product if I was actually able to get it off or if I messed up. All right, so now we have a little box on the car that we need to get off, because it's, yeah, this is what an idiot looks like right here. Don't be like me, guys, because this is this is dumb. It's kind of coming off with the rag, but I'm gonna be honest, I'm probably scratching up the paint, so you know, it is what it is. Yeah, it's not a good idea. No.
Chill and relax.
Alright, so fortunately I was able to pretty much get rid of all of it. I probably gave myself some scratches and it was not really worth it at all. If you guys are actually Plastidipping stuff, obviously you're gonna do multiple coats and it's gonna be better, it's gonna look good and stuff, but this was just a little test, and you know, I regret it a lot because that took a lot of work to get off. A lot more work than I wanted to do for this video, but you know, it's content, boys, and hopefully you guys enjoy the effort of trying my best to figure things out for you guys and just having a little bit of fun. Hopefully it doesn't leave any permanent issues or anything, but I definitely recommend that you guys have some microfiber cloths, and I believe there's this like rubber, it's mainly used for removing like 3M when you guys stick stuff on your car, and it's like a 3M thing that goes into a drill, and it like basically is just a rubber like wheel, and it'll just like pull all that right off. So I'll try and link that down below. If you guys are doing anything with Plastidip, you might want to have one of those handy just in case you guys have some overspray or anything to get it off a little bit easier. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad for you guys. I can go ahead and close this video out. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you smash that like button down below if you got any entertainment out of it or any information, actually, because I mean, I basically just put this to the test for you so you guys don't have to and you can learn from my mistake. Shout out Geb for the idea. Absolute animal for suggesting this, because you know, it wasn't good. If you guys are not already subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button down below, and of course comment anything that you guys have to say about Plastidip. If you like it, don't like it, why or why not, and also what you guys have used it for before and on what. And of course, check out Shop Lifestyle, get yourself some lifestyle merch. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.